Hello, this is Danny at the DEG. I want to thank you for joining me for today's estimate tip. A new feature that CCC has recently developed was a single line operation to disassemble and reassemble a mirror for the purposes of refinishing. Previously, a user would have to go into the mirror and select individual components to remove and install, or they may have to make manual lines to disassemble the mirror. Now, mirrors may come supplied from the manufacturer, completely assembled in primer, or it may arrive in a different color other than the color that the vehicle is, and that you may need to refinish it to match the car. So in order to do this, in the front door section, in the additional operations, the user can select disassemble and reassemble to refinish, and the labor line will be right here. Please note that this labor operation does not include any other operations other than to remove components from the mirror assembly and reassemble it. It does not include any other parts of the door, such as belt moldings, window trim panels, etc., for the purpose of refinishing the outside of the door. This labor is to strictly take apart the mirror for the purposes of refinishing the mirror to match the vehicle. Now again, in the H notes, you would see additional note right here that add if required to R&R mirror, disassemble and reassemble for refinish with the labor allocation. There was additionally an inquiry 14945 with the concern, what exactly does that line mean? And again, CCC and Motors responded, this operation is available to disassemble and reassemble the mirror assembly for refinishing purposes only. Again, this does not include any other parts of the door for refinishing the door shell. Well, please note that this is a new feature that's being continuously added to different vehicle chapters in the database. So if you are seeing a vehicle that's missing this labor operation, you can submit a DEG inquiry, but please note that they are continuously updating this product feature in CCC. You will see more labor operations on more vehicle lines. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit us at www.degweb.org. You can submit an inquiry or email us directly. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.